Hello and welcome. This is tutorial video on how to play Germ attack. The setup. All playmats must be arranged first before dealing cards. Each player will be given one identity card and 4 food cards randomly. Each player will arrange their identity card and food card accordingly on their playmat and make sure in face-up position shown to opponents. Each player check if there are any food cards received matching with special dish on their identity card. If matching, player draw 1 extra food card from each player's extra food pile. Deal 7 main cards to each player. Place remainder of main cards on the main card pile. The turn of the players is determined by the method of whoever wins will start first. Turns are taken clockwise from the first player. The objective. In this game, anyone can attack anyone. Your goal is to remove your opponent's food cards from the game while protecting your own food cards from contamination. Remember, your food is your life. If you lose all your food cards, you're out of the game. 3 ways to remove opponent's food cards. First way. Use a bacteria card that matches the bacteria symbol on your opponent's food card for a direct hit. Second way. Pair any bacteria card that matches the bacteria symbol on your opponent's food card with a factor card for a fast and effective removal. This dynamic duo is not only fast but also super effective. It's the quickest way to wipe out their food. Third way. Play a combination of 2 different symptom cards. Just remember, these symptom cards must be placed in your opponent's symptom card box. The gameplay. In this game, each player's turn consists of 5 phases that cycle between players until the game ends. Here's how it works. Draw phase. Draw 2 cards from the main card pile to add to your hand. Bonus phase 1. Optionally, play 1 bonus card from your hand to gain an advantage. Contamination phase. Place up to 3 attack cards on your target opponent. Your opponent can immediately play a defense card to protect themselves. Remove any of their spoiled food cards and place them in the discard pile. Bonus phase 2. Optionally, you can play another bonus card from your hand if you want. End phase. End your turn by saying, pass, loudly. Determination of the winner. The game ends when a player has no food cards left. Here's how to determine the winner. Elimination. If a player runs out of food cards, they can no longer continue. Place their identity card face down, and discard all remaining cards in their hand. End of game. The game concludes when there are no more cards in the main card pile and no cards left in any player's hand. Winning the round. The player with the most food cards at the end of the game is declared the winner of that round. Thank you for watching this tutorial video.